Hi. Uh, Today I am going to tell you how to draw the basic shapes. Uh, Basic shapes are very important because anything we visualize around, whether any type of furniture is there, lamps are there, flower vases are there, spectacles are there, wristwatches are there, accessories, cars, interior, exteriors, anything to everything made by human. It's all made with the help of using basic shapes, and more importantly, anytime we sketch or design anything, that's for sure ki we'll be using basic shapes and that, but there are ways to handle the lines. Basic shapes will be handled with light strokes, and the final output will be made with the darker strokes. So it is very important to know the difference between light stroke and the dark stroke, and secondly, what all types of basic shapes are there. I'm going to teach you, so please look at all carefully. Thank you. So here we are starting with the basics. Usually anytime you draw a line, you draw it casually like this, or if I ask you to draw some shape for me, then what you do, if I ask you to make a X-ray view of the shape, then what you do, this way. But the final output is this. This X-ray view is for us, not for anybody else. And what I'm going to teach you here is how to handle these basic lines, the X-ray views of this shape. In other words, basic shapes or basic lines are handled with light strokes, and the final output remains with a darker stroke. For that, you have to be able to make a difference between the lighter stroke and the darker stroke. Look, what you do, draw a line with full pressure, 100%. Start with this 100% pressure. Gradually release the pressure to 0 level. Just look at it. Right? This part. Gradually decreasing the pressure. Again, start it with light stroke and then end it with the darker stroke. This way. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, 100% pressure. So what I mean is, for any object or design we are going to sketch, we have to start with this lighter tone, this much. If this is 100% darkness, this is 0% darkness. But we have to draw everything, we have to start everything with almost 20% darkness, right? So you always practice these lines in rough papers and newspapers. Will do. Again, one more time, darker to lighter or lighter to darker. This way you will be able to make a difference between the darker and the lighter strokes. You will be able to understand at what time you are able to lift your hand to make out this line, this much lighter line. So we want this. Now one more important exercise is there. We call it tracing. We call it tracing. Mechanic zigzag line. You can use markers, any type of marker. 0.4, 0.5, 0.2, 0.8. Tips may vary from thick to thin, right? So we have to make a command at every type of markers with various tips. So right now I'm holding 0.4 marker. So just look at it carefully how I'm tracing. Go gradually. Rotate the page as per your convenience. Tracing is very helpful in all types of portfolio works and at a professional level. Whenever we have to give a presentation of our work, we trace the lines in different colors with different pens or markers, thick or thin. Right? Go slow. This procedure takes time because we have to maintain the finishing. Even in painting, tracing can be done. Before or after the coloring. Depends what type of output we are looking for. Right, this is the tracing. Now one more type of tracing is there, what I'll be doing with the thick sketch pen. Just look at. we don't have to be careless in this. No jerks must be seen there in these lines, right? Thick, thin, and that way a lot of other mediums are also there for the tracing part. One more is there, I'll show you. Bold marker. So here you are able to see the difference between all types of lines, thick to thin. Look at. And one more type of example I give you. Right, so this way a lot of pens, markers are available, and we can make out the output the way we want it to be, right, as per the requirement. So in the next class I'll teach you more techniques, how to make a product at a finishing level, right? So keep practicing these techniques, these lines, and hope to see you soon with many more techniques. Thank you. And one more thing I forgot to mention, I just show you some pictures with the finishing output, with the outlines and with the basic shapes. You take a look at them and realize what type of level we'll be achieving in a very short period of time. And yes, your practice is very much required, and please have a look at these specs. Thank you.